So today we have this Ruger new model Blackhawk. This particular revolver was manufactured in 1980. It's in awesome condition. Stainless steel finish, no bluing on this guy. Looks like a walnut grip on it as well. Transfer bar in there. Everything spins nicely. Comes with the tag. That's not the actual price. That looks like the price of 1980 right there. Comes with the original manual as well. Go check this guy out on Gun Broker, D4 Guns auctions. This guy will drop this Friday. This Friday is, I want to say it's May 28th. It'll go for 9 days. It'll end the following Sunday. So go check it out. Ruger Blackhawk.